Welcome back to the channel Auto Cars Land. Today, we're diving into one of the most powerful and mysterious tanks never to roll into combat, the 2025 T29 Heavy Tank. Though rooted in World War II history, the T29 Heavy Tank has become a symbol of advanced armor development and military innovation. Let's explore its fascinating story, design, and why it remains an iconic piece of armored warfare history. The T29 Heavy Tank was originally conceived during the later stages of World War II, at a time when the U.S. military sought to counter increasingly powerful German tanks like the Tiger II. The war ended before the T29 could see action, but development continued into the post-war period. While the original T29 was built in the 1940s, modern interest has reimagined it in simulations, military history discussions, and digital recreations with futuristic upgrades, leading to concepts like the 2025 variant, a tribute to what could have been. The T29 was built to be a true behemoth on the battlefield. In its original form, it weighed over 64 tons and was armed with a massive 105mm T5E1 gun. The tank was designed to overpower heavy German armor while still offering thick protection against incoming rounds. Its frontal armor was up to 279mm thick in some areas, making it nearly impervious to the weapons of its time. The design also included a rangefinder, advanced optics, and a heavily armored turret, all rare features back then, which have become standard in modern tank design. Now, imagining the 2025 version of the T29 Heavy Tank, enthusiasts and digital modelers have taken this historical icon and upgraded it with modern technology. In these futuristic interpretations, the T29 is powered by a hybrid diesel-electric engine, offering both greater fuel efficiency and reduced thermal signature on the battlefield. The weight has increased slightly to accommodate new armor composites and advanced weaponry, but thanks to updated suspension and track systems, it remains mobile for its class. One of the standout features in the modern concept is its main gun. The traditional 105mm has been replaced by a next-generation 120mm smoothbore cannon with automatic loading. This gives the tank higher rate of fire, more accurate targeting, and the ability to engage both armored vehicles and fortified positions. Secondary armaments may include a 7.62mm coaxial machine gun and a remote-operated 12.7mm heavy machine gun mounted on top for drone defense and infantry suppression. In terms of protection, the modern T29 concept features modular composite armor, explosive reactive armor (ERA), and an active protection system (APS) that can detect and neutralize incoming anti-tank missiles or RPGs before impact. These upgrades would allow the tank to survive in high-threat environments, making it suitable for modern warfare scenarios including urban combat and open-field engagements. Inside, the 2025 T29 would be completely modernized. Gone are analog dials and cramped crew compartments. Instead, you'll find digital displays, multi-function controls, climate control systems, and improved ergonomics for the crew of 4, commander, gunner, loader, and driver. Integrated AI assists in target acquisition, route planning, and damage assessment. A networked battlefield system allows real-time data sharing with other units, drones, and command centers. Mobility is another key aspect. With a hybrid engine producing an estimated 1,500 horsepower, the modern T29 can reach speeds of up to 65 km/h on roads and 45 km/h off-road. The enhanced torsion bar suspension and reinforced tracks allow it to tackle rugged terrain with ease, something critical for large-scale deployments or peacekeeping missions in difficult environments. Despite all these features, the 2025 T29 Heavy Tank remains a concept, a tribute to military engineering rather than an actual battlefield presence. However, its influence is undeniable. The original T29 helped lay the groundwork for future American tanks like the M103 and even contributed ideas to the M1 Abrams development decades later. Today, the T29 is preserved in museums and continues to be studied by historians, military enthusiasts, and game designers. Its massive frame, intimidating gun, and advanced vision systems for its time make it a marvel of its era. The idea of reviving such a tank with modern upgrades speaks to our fascination with blending history and technology, honoring the past while imagining a more advanced future. So, whether you're into military history, armored warfare, or futuristic combat vehicles, the 2025 T29 Heavy Tank is an exciting symbol of power, innovation, and what-if military engineering. While it never fired a shot in battle, its legacy lives on in books, games, models, and minds around the world. Thanks for watching today's video on Autocars Land. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update on the most fascinating vehicles in the world, from real production models to forgotten prototypes and futuristic reimaginings. I'll see you in the next video.